Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done less than 9,000 miles, and you get 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and full Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features include automatic headlights and wipers, air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car is one of our former courtesy cars, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.